Hello, welcome back to a special edition of Masuma's World.
In this video, I'm going to review Ronseal's Wet Rot Wood Hardener. Our bedroom windowsill and frame has some wood rot, and this is due to a lot of moisture buildup resulting from inadequate ventilation. Here we have the Ronseal Wet Rot Wood Hardener. I will apply the hardener with this brush, which I purchased from Wilko. When using hardener, safety comes first, so I will be wearing safety goggles and a pair of disposable gloves. Before I begin applying the hardener, I'm using a brush with strong bristles to remove any dirt and wooden debris. You can also use a scrub brush or a wire brush. I then use my fingers to rub off any lingering bits and checking the area is dry. Ensure the room is well ventilated. Before opening the tin, give it a good shake. Place the tin on a flat surface and open the lid. You will see a red knob that will need to be squeezed at both ends before unscrewing anti-clockwise. I took a few attempts before being able to open this, so don't worry if that happens to you. Finally, there is a ring flap that will need to be pulled open. Be careful not to pull too hard to prevent any spillage. Once opened, pour the hardener solution in the green lid provided. I'm just filling the lid up to a third way to begin with. Using my brush, I soak it in the hardener, being careful to pat off any excess and to hold the lid at the same time. I start brushing the affected area with an upward brush motion. I am reapplying the brush on the affected area a number of times so that it completely soaks into the rotten wood. I noticed there was also a wood rot along the center of the windowsill, so I am brushing on some hardener, and this is also partly because I have so much left over. I have finished brushing over the hardener all over the wall, window frame and sill. I'll come back in about 2 hours once it has fully dried. I'm now back after 2 hours and inspecting the treated area. The rotten wood is no longer crumbling and feels like it has hardened and is dry to touch. The hardener seems to have successfully done the job. The rotten wood has hardened using the Ronseal solution. It's now ready for wood filler. I am pleased with the outcome. I hope you found this video useful. Do feel free to comment below for any suggestions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.